losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
You have been welcomed very well and you look so smart today. So what is your feeling now? Is your heart palpitating or what is happening now? Express your feeling in front of them, please. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ghulam sir and Suryan sir. Today I am very happy because I am getting certificate. And before joining coaching, I was not able to understand English and speak English. But now I am able to speak English. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,